Mortgage rates in 2025, the truth about what's coming and beyond. I'm Mike Mendiola with Responsive Mortgage, and I've been in the industry for more than 10 years, and I've helped thousands of homeowners get into homes that they can't afford. Some of the myths that I hear all the time about interest rates, right? A couple of them are, there's a magic wand that the Fed can come in and one person, Uncle Sam, can wave the wand and they can drop interest rates. That's not entirely true. When they drop interest rates, that has to do more with the auto industry, has to do with credit cards. Mortgage rates are on the bond market. The bond market is what dictates what is going to happen with mortgage rates long term. So when people say, oh, well, you know, Chairman Powell's going to drop the rates, that doesn't necessarily impact you right away. And a lot of times when those announcements are already made, the mortgage market has already shifted because bonds have already reacted to the news that's going to come. So that's one of the biggest myths that I hear all the time. The second thing is, if I get a lower rate, then I can get a cheaper payment. That's not true all the time either, right? Because your taxes and your insurance play a big part into what your monthly payment is. So even though you might get a lower rate, if you have high taxes, high insurance, you're still gonna have a higher payment. The last thing is, what can you do to protect yourself going forward? One of the things that we offer here is a lock and shop. You're looking for homes and you're looking to buy, we can lock your rate now and you have 90 days to buy that home. And if the rate drops, we can match that rate. So that's one of the things that you can protect yourself. The other thing is get into us sooner. The quicker that we get your application, the quicker that we can guide you. If you have a lower credit score, even if you have a 720, let's get you to 740. We can look at those things and guide you to get you the best rate that's on the market right now. One of the things that we've noticed in the last 6 to 12 months of the market, rates are the lowest that they've been here in the last year. That is something that's going to come. We expect another rate drop probably next month, and by the fourth quarter of this year, we expect another modest rate drop. But when we go into 2026, that's when we're going to see some significant rate drops where we might get back into those 5.5%, the lower fives, possibly even the high fours. What does that mean for you? That doesn't stop you from buying your home today, right? Get your home, refinance. You're still going to get the lower rate. You're still going to get the better price on the homes now because they're sitting. If you can refinance, and there's many ways that you can do it. There's cheaper ways that you can do it. We offer a free refinance for all of our people, so we don't charge you the lender credit, but you can get the lower rate. And sometimes on a $500,000 home, that could save you $500 to $600 a month from what you're paying today. So if you're waiting for rates to drop, don't be that guy that's waiting for like, oh, I want to get that 3% rate that they had back in COVID. The chances of that happening are probably not going to happen. We're really looking to settle probably in those high fours, mid fours to mid fives range long term, 2026, 2027 and beyond. If you're looking at rates today and you're like, oh, I'm at a 6.5, you can refinance to a 5.5 and a 5, or even get in the fours at some point. The one thing about refinancing, there isn't a limit on refinancing. You can refinance every 6 months. So if rates do drop and you refinance, you're like, oh man, I missed the boat. I refinanced at 5.5. No, if rates go lower and it's worth it for you, and that's where we explain it to you, is like, is the money worth it in the amount that you're gonna save? Well then yeah, we'll go back and we'll refinance you again after 6 months. But you can refinance through a 30-year term as many times as you want every 6 months. The reality is rates aren't gonna go as low in 2 and 3% like you saw during COVID. Reality is we're looking at 4s, 5s, and even 6s for people with lower credit. Get off the couch, go buy your home now. And if you got value out of this video, hit the subscribe button, we got a lot more coming.